Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to fix Google Chrome not working. First, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Before doing anything else, check whether your internet connection is stable. If your connection is unstable, connect to a stable network and then check Google Chrome again. If the issue is still not resolved, open the App Store. Then tap on the search option at the bottom right side of the screen. Now look at the top of the screen and tap on the search bar. Search for Google Chrome, and the Google Chrome app will appear in the results. Once Google Chrome appears, check the option on the right side of the app. If you see an update option, tap on it to update the app. If you don't see update, it means the app is already updated. If Google Chrome is already updated but the issue is still not resolved, reinstall the app. Download and install Google Chrome again from the App Store. And that's how you can fix Google Chrome not working on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more troubleshooting tutorials.